But I said, some of my friends, they tell me, they go to the church to receive God's blessing. Right? I agree with that. I agree all of your answers. Yes, to have an intimate time with Lord. Sabi ni Bro Jun, part of the obligation, commandments, di ba? But it's not complete. It's really not complete, brothers and sisters. Because the purpose of life is not to receive God's blessing. But the purpose of life is to be God's blessing to this world. Or be a blessing to others. That's the purpose. And the purpose of the church are, before it, probably, I asked this question also. Why did God invented the church? Diba? Why did God invented the church? Just to have what? A gathering of people? To say short prayers, praise and worship? Is that? No, it's not. Because the purpose of the church is to change the world. To be God's love to this broken, wounded, and fractured world that we're living in now. That's really the purpose of the church. And the purpose of the church is not to fill up it every Sunday. Diba? You know what? Believe it or not, brothers, especially for those first-timers. Can I see the hands of all first-timers here? First-timers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Welcome. Okay? Welcome. We have 5 first-timers. You know what, guys? When the feast started, it's just a small area in Lucky Plaza. Just a small place. It's really just a small one. Group of people, just few people. But can you imagine? We're moving from one place to another. Now, we're getting a bigger crowd. But again, that's not the purpose of having this church or having this feast. That's just not to fill it every Sunday to a lot of people. No. The purpose of it is to fill us with God's love. That we can sustain it from Monday to Saturday. Because Sunday again, it's refueling time again. That's why I advise you, if you're not a person that a fan of the church, I advise you to have time, spend time with the Lord. And probably one of the best places is always been the church also, because that's a house of prayer. Okay? Amen, brothers and sisters? Okay? And the church is not for the insiders. It's for the outsiders. Okay? That's one thing. You know what? I have a friend, a common friend namin ni Brother Herbert, that he tell me, bro, I like Brother Bo. I like the setup of feast, the worship and song, the dancing, but I don't like the people, bro. Why? Siya, bro, unholy. So you know the Herbert, you tell me he's really the feast builder? Oh yeah, he's the feast builder. Yeah, the Herbert Cabral that we know in college. Yung parang lasing, drunkard, frat man, gambler. Oh yeah, that's the Herbert. Yeah, really? He's a feast builder? Oh yes. That's the Herbert before. But that's not the Herbert now. Yeah. That's why in the feast, so many unholy. But I tell him, you know what? If you want to join a community that don't have any conditions, that we will welcome everybody, that are people that they feel that they don't belong to the church, then you tell if that's how you define feast, then that's who we are. That's what feast is now. Everybody is welcome here because you're part of a family here. Right? Amen? Diba? Kumain na ba kayo? Mukhang hindi kayo kumakain. Yeah? No, because that's what they are here in the feast. That's why when I told him, I confronted him. I tell him, you know what? If you're looking for a community that focuses on holy people, then feast is not for you. Because I tell you the truth, here in the feast, you don't need to be holy to belong. That's what is in the feast is. Okay, you don't need to be holy to belong. And I tell that guy, even if if you just attend feast the one time, you're the part of this family. You're the part of a family, a light of Jesus family. brothers and sisters. Okay? The second one is why family? Family. I'm going to say something very controversial here. Okay? Can I see the hands of all the single people? Single ladies, single men? Wow! May asawa na kayo lahat. Kunti na lang. Diba? Single ladies, single men. Okay? Wow, galing naman ah. Here's the next question. Why get married? Why have a family? Why not? Diba? Diba? That's the question there. Why get married? Why have a family? Diba? Probably some people will answer me, bro, because just to have to own a house, a bungalow house, then be blessed with 2 children, then to have to buy a big flat screen TV, then my children they become old, they grow up, then we grow old together. Probably it's nice, but you know what? It's not enough, brothers and sisters. Because the purpose of family is to embrace a bigger family. Okay? That's the sense of purpose of having a family. Can I share you a story? Yes. This is a story from Brother Bo. It's about Brother Bo's family to eh. Okay? So about the house helpers of Brother Bo. I read this in the blog. When Brother Bo said that the purpose of family is to embrace a bigger family, he was thinking about his house helpers. Okay? And you know what? In our place, probably, even me, way back in Cebu, in Surigao, may kasama kami sa bahay. I have a house helper. Dalawa. One is nagbabantay kang baby. Yung isa, cleaning the house, cooking for the meal. Diba? Parang ganun. Because to make our life easy. But as what he said, the purpose of family is to embrace a bigger family. We embrace these house helpers. They become part of our family. Right? We treat them like our children. Okay? And one thing, the story of Brother Bo is in the name of Gina, one of his first house helper. Gina is an 18-years-old lady who came from Dumaguete, from the province. High school graduate lang ni Gina at that time. But, you know, since Brother Bo, sabi pa nga niya sa vlog, I'm a foolish guy. I teach my housemaid how to invest in the stock market. Diba? And the good part here, that person, Gina, is become the character of a book that become a best-selling book ni Brother Bo. Yan nga, diba? My maid invest in the stock market. Why you should too? Diba? And if you want to learn about the stock market, I think August 22, Brother Bo will be coming here teaching. And last month only, Gina approached her. Then Gina tell her, Brother Bo, my stock account is worth millions. Diba? Are you not amazed when they? Sabi ni Brother Bo, wow, you're already a millionaire. Siya, oo. She's very happy. Brother Bo is very, very happy also. But Brother Bo tell Gina, you know what, Gina? If you're happier, if you're more proud of yourself, I'm much more 10 times. 10 times happier, 10 times proud. You know why? Ask me why. Why? Sabi ni Brother Bo, ako lang yata sa mundo ang may maid na milyonarya. Probably I'm one of the few, or I'm just the only one. My maid is a millionaire. Because Brother Bo is a God carrier. Brother Bo shared God's love to Gina. He marked and make impact to Gina's life, especially in the finances of Gina. Okay, brothers and sisters, it's out of my talk, but please, I'm advising you guys, if you're working here now in abroad as an OFW, please maximize everything that you can earn and invest it properly. Okay? There's a lot of investment. One of it is the stock market. You can do a sample in the mutual funds, you can do it in the real estate also. But you need to do something about your finances. Okay? Because this is what I really believe. How you manage your money, that's how you manage your spiritual life also. That will reflect of who you are. Kung swapang kayo, swapang din talaga kayo. But pag mapagbigay kayo, then you are a giver. Okay? Money is just a reflection of who you are. Okay? That's out of my topic na. Okay? Then the third one is work. Diba? Why work? Why not then? Diba? Face it, most people work only for money alone. Diba? Sabi nga, the famous line I always heard to AFW, pag naglilipat sila ng company, if the price is right, then we have a business. Piratahan lang, di ba? Jump na naman sa ibang company. Pag tinasan ng $100, $100, lipat sa isang company. Wow, ang baba lang ng kasiyahan mo, $100 lang, lipat na, di ba? Diba? But you know what? I always believe that because of that money, there's a lot of stress in this world. Diba? Lalo na, may expire na yung pass. Diba? May expire na yung contracts, hindi na paparandam ang HR. Diba? Kinakabahan. Ano ba yan? But you know what, brothers and sisters? This is what I want you to make a decision today.